This is Tajamul Adil. Today I'm discussing a portable car touchscreen that offers exactly same features like any flagship smartphone, and it's available for just $161.10. You can install multiple apps, WhatsApp, Google Map, Google Gemini AI, VLC Player, and much more. Also, you can watch Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube videos, and even you can play games in the parking zone. How cool is that? I know you are very excited to learn more about it. Without wasting time, let's jump into the unboxing and see what's inside the box. The Ottoscreen AI offers a modern AI-enhanced screen Android 15 operating system with an 8-core CPU. The AI screen has full Android functionality like any tablet with the Android 15 OS features with an 8-core CPU, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB built-in storage. AI screen offers a full HD widescreen display with a stunning 11.4-inch display that delivers sharp, immersive visuals for an engaging driving experience. The screen boasts a crisp 1920 into 720 resolution, ensuring sharp visuals and clear details. The Ottoscreen AI offers AI smart features. It can run Google Map, Facebook, TikTok, and even you can watch Reels on it. The Ottoscreen AI operates using a full Android 15 system. You just need to connect with the Wi-Fi and run any compatible app, including social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. The powerful 8-core CPU with 4 GB RAM allows seamless performance for using Google Map, listening to music using YouTube Music, Facebook, and even Reels. The Smart AI screen offers a multitasking feature in the split screen mode, which allows you to run two apps simultaneously. The Ottoscreen AI Smart Screen allows seamless multitasking, running Google Map open on one side of the screen while controlling Spotify, YouTube Music, or viewing another app on the other side. While using it, I didn't find any lag or slowness in the performance, which makes it ideal for a driving companion as you can switch from split screen to full screen smoothly and its performance feels very nice. You can select manually fix apps on the left side of the screen as I am showing in this video, and other side you can run any other app. Ottoscreen AI runs a complete Android 15 operating system, which includes standard Android functions of managing and view running applications. Because of its powerful 8-core CPU, it offers the same features as the Android 15 OS. You can view all running apps, switch them easily, and you can even close all running apps with a single click. The AI screen designed to integrate with the reverse camera. The 11.4-inch screen comes with the 1080p reverse camera, which included in the package. Now, I want to talk about a very important feature, how to configure audio in your car. First, let's talk about aux setting. For this, we need to use a 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm audio cable. This comes in the package and let's place one side of the cable to the AI screen and the other 3.5 mm audio pin to the car aux as I show in this video. My preferred audio connection is with the Bluetooth method. You just need to connect the AI screen's Bluetooth with your car's Bluetooth and there you go. Audio connection is established successfully. Others, we have FM connection and local speaker option. Watching your famous streaming Netflix series in the car is very interesting as you never miss your favorite shows. You can also install multiple applications on the Ottoscreen AI using Google Play Store just like any Android smartphone or tablet. The interesting part is that while installing multiple apps from the Google Play Store, the apps remain in the queue. It is same as standard Android tablet feature. I have already installed WhatsApp in the AI screen, which is very useful for you, and you can easily pair your smartphone's WhatsApp with your car screen and enjoy the experience. One of the fun features of Ottoscreen AI that it allows you to run and enjoy a variety of games. In the next section, I will show you the performance of different. Are you ready to elevate YouTube viewing experience? Enjoy your favorite YouTube videos on the Ottoscreen AI. Whether you are watching vlogs, tutorials, or music videos, Ottoscreen AI makes it all accessible and enjoyable. We take a closer look at the Ottoscreen AI and its remarkable ability to connect with the Apple CarPlay system. After connecting the Apple CarPlay with the Ottoscreen AI, I noticed it's working very smoothly as you see in this video. Now I want to explore Gemini AI Assistant, a groundbreaking feature of the Ottoscreen AI that elevates it beyond a traditional car screen. The pre-installed Google Gemini in the AI screen, its result is very impressive and very responsive as well, as this makes the screen really like an AI smart tablet in any car. Lastly, it's a bonus feature as I connected my 70mm T800 dash camera with the Ottoscreen. The Ottoscreen AI is a wonderful 11.4-inch screen with a powerful 8-core CPU, and it's a next level AI tablet for your car. Why do you need a smartphone when an AI screen offers exactly same features like your smartphone? Ottoscreen AI buying price is $161.10 and I'm sharing a discount code here. Also you can find a QR code here, just scan it and open a purchase link. If you are interested in 70mm T800 dash camera, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.